chord, or let's say primarily an A chord, consists of 440 hertz. Why, when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's the A, but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now, why are we hearing octaves? Octaves is quite a phenomenon. It turns
freaking sexy today, boy. Check your boy out.
You look great. You look full of life. You look pregnant.
Yeah. Hey, I have fans too, you know.
No, you have different offices. You have an actual fan.
Yeah, I got fans. You're not the only one that got fans, bro. I got fans, bro.
Oh my god.
Yo, that is like the worst. I don't.
I'm capable of creating. I don't have, but they're not polarity. They might be in some context, a contrast. Listen, music. In art, what you notice in art is, in order to illustrate or elicit, there was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.